Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. A very happy new year to all of you guys. I hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in each and every one of our lives. So let's start the reading with this happy intention, Cancers. Today's reading, I'll be picking cards for your daily energies, guys. For your relationship, it's going to be an elaborate pick a card reading. So, whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it before choosing the pile. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. So, let's start the reading with your daily energies. First, Cancers. It's Neophyte of Moons in reverse, 10 of Spheres, and Justice. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So with these cards, I see that in your situation today, guys, you are trying to build that balance in your situation, trying to secure your finances, build this family. You are maybe trying to find that balance in your personal life, bringing that understanding, making those efforts to achieve that harmonious, balanced connection with this person. And maybe for some of you, you are planning to start a family, trying to secure your finances. Maybe you are building your savings so that one day when you need it, when you start this family, it will be helpful for you. And maybe for some of you, you are traveling, taking a holiday trip with your family or with this person, or you may be planning a trip during this these holidays, this New Year time. So that is also what I see, guys. Maybe for some of you, in your career, whatever needs to be done, your future plans, you are planning that too. So your next path, what is the next goal, you have clear plans about it, and you are waiting to make things or waiting to see that progress, guys, in your career. And I also see that you are trying to or there are people trying to flatter you today because they are quite jealous of you. They want to grab your opportunities, or your they want to be in that good picture with you. So they are trying to flatter you on certain things and try to get something from you, benefit themselves. So you need to be quite careful, guys. So all your achievements on whatever you have done till now, people are there who are jealous. And I also see that whatever your situation is, whatever your experience is, guys, you are able to find that balance. You are able to find that balance in your career and your personal life. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers, for your daily reading. For your love reading, that pick a card reading is coming up right now. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it and choose the pile. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. Stay tuned for that pick a card reading, guys. Don't miss on that pick a card. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first pile, this is the second pile, and this is the third pile. So whatever questions you have regarding your connection, You can think about it, meditate for a few seconds in silence. Then we will start with the first card, guys. I'll start with the first card. So as soon as you open your eyes, choose the pile that comes to you first. So I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, so let's start with the first pile. It's Ace of Spheres, the Chariot, Magician in reverse. So for those who have chosen this first deck, in your situation today, guys, maybe in your relationship you would have had some troubles or some quarrels in the past, some kinds of arguments, misunderstandings. So you would have felt really emotional and you would have felt really stressed, impulsive to go and do something, and you would have reacted a lot. But with these cards, I see that you are trying to understand your situation, understand your needs and your what is there in your heart, and you are able to find that balance in your situation. So you are trying to balance your emotions, balance the way you behave with this person, trying to bring that harmony in this connection, guys. And you would have had some different view about this person, some kind of illusion about them. That was the reason for these troubles in your situation, guys. So you were thinking of them as something different, but when they reveal that true picture to you, you did not find it appealing maybe, and that may be the reason for the stress. But I see that things are beginning to fall into place in this connection for you guys. So all that troubles that you were facing, you are trying to find that understanding, understand your emotions and understand your true wishes that are there in your heart, and you are moving forward in this emotional journey, and you are progressing towards that happiness and contentment in this connection, guys. So you are moving towards that lucky part of your connection. All that negative impact that you had till now is going to simply disappear, and you're moving towards a very good phase in this connection, guys. So a better understanding and love with this person. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this first deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If it resonates, please like and comment. So let's start with the second card, guys. Second cards that we have chosen. For those who have chosen the second deck, it's Page of Air, Magician, and Six of Fire. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you have that deep commitment towards this person. You are responsible for this connection, and you are trying to make things work beautifully in this connection, putting your skills and talents. And maybe with this person you are trying to build that understanding and love, a deeper meaningful connection. So you are being really curious today to find out about this person, find out whether this person is the person for you, and you are trying to understand the things that you don't know about them, interesting things that you don't know about them, and you are exploring this connection, how this person is, and how you can what is that common thing between you both to build that understanding. So you are making lot of efforts for this connection and you love this person. That is what I see, guys. And this relationship is transforming into something really beautiful. You are building that trust with this person, confidence with this person. This person really feels confident about you and they love you, and they feel that you are a very knowledgeable, intelligent person who influences them in a very good way. And I also see that with this person you have that inspiration, you feel that inspiration to be with them. So some kind of intuition guiding you towards this person, guys. That is what I see. Maybe for those who have chosen this deck, I see that you are in a new relationship and you are trying to build that understanding and love with this person. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's start with the third card. For those who have chosen this deck, I will turn the cards. It's 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, and Page of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, I see that you are having some troubles in your situation, something worrying you, stressing you a lot. You may feel quite lonely and troubled because of that, and maybe things are going in a very uncontrollable way in your connection, maybe because of some arguments or because of some stressful things that has happened, and you feel that you have too many responsibilities and this person is not responsible like you, and you would have felt a great attraction and love towards them, and they did not reciprocate it for some of you. So you may feel a satisfaction because all that imagination that you are having about them, all that is coming to an end, and you see things with clarity today. Maybe I see with these cards, guys, for some of you, things may quickly come to an end between you and this person. They may move out all of a sudden. They may move out of this connection, move out of your life all of a sudden, and things are going downhill in this connection. But I also see that you are getting that understanding that this connection may not work, and it is for the better that you are not taking those efforts to mend things in this connection, guys. Maybe it may not be worth it for some of you, and for some of you I see that you are simply tired and you feel that your life is ruined and too much to bear for you, too much pain to bear to get back with this person, guys. And I also see that you may be to get over the stress, you may turn yourself to shopping, some kind of shopping you may be doing to get over the stress of the separation. And I see things are going maybe it is inevitable in this connection, guys, that you are finding it difficult to repair the negative things in this connection. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.